Pollution. The problem is closer to home than you might think. In fact, levels of indoor air pollution are up to 5 times higher than the air directly outside. The main cause? Everyday cleaning products. They have a dirty secret. They can have a real and a very destructive effect on our lives, not just at home, but also by leaching to the soil and oceans. We're Tincture, and we're committed to providing an everyday solution to this pollution crisis. Tincture was founded out of pure passion. As a mother of 4 children and pets, I searched everywhere for high-performance, non-toxic, safe cleaning products that didn't exasperate my children's asthma and eczema, or leave the house smelling of vinegar. The majority of products, even eco-products, to my surprise, were full of harmful ingredients that were damaging to not only the environment but our health and well-being. So I started Tincture. We made every single ingredient 100% natural, sustainable and non-toxic, with the health of our families and planet at the heart.
We make super effective cleaning products.
Non-toxic,
natural ingredients, cruelty-free, clinically tested,
sustainably sourced,
biodegradable,
antiviral, antimicrobial,
recycled, sustainable packaging,
and
smells heavenly.
We're here to provide a safe and intelligent cleaning experience that doesn't have toxic warning labels and that can be refilled forever in our glass and antimicrobial silver-infused packaging.
Buying Tincture is buying peace of mind that the surfaces you touch and the air you breathe are safe and clean. Inspired by ancient monastic wisdom, tested by world-leading scientists.
nothing synthetic, nothing toxic.
Just pure, high-quality botanical extracts, essential oils and plant-based actives.
That's it, our unique blend of tincture magic.
And they work.
We are WHO approved and certified by renowned research institutions.
Because there's a strength to our elegance.
And our tribe agrees.
Throughout our journey, we've cultivated a loyal and growing following.
Amazing press coverage.
A community of over 50,000.
Hundreds of 5-star reviews.
Prestigious industry awards.
And we're only just getting started.
Following 3 years of rigorous product development, we've seen over £600,000 of sales and 500% increase in 2020. And that's just in the UK. Our direct-to-consumer, zero-waste, refill-based subscription model maximises profitability whilst reducing our environmental impact.
We are listed in QVC, Fenwick, Naturissimo, Farm Drop and carefully selected independent retailers. As well as having a thriving B2B business, including yoga studios, spas and other partners who share our ethos,
we already sell in Russia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and our ambition is to become a truly global brand. By 2025, we're aiming to roll out across the rest of Europe, North America and Asia and reach up to 20 million in sales.
All while maintaining our environmental zero-waste ethos.
Campaigning for clean air in every home. With your financial support, together we will shake up a £50 billion industry by launching a 10 times concentrate formula, broadening our subscription service, driving our distribution and pushing for an even more sustainable closed-loop product.
We're ready for the mainstream.
Our outsourced manufacturing makes tincture highly scalable, alongside being season-proof, recession-proof, and pandemic-proof.
Our everyday use products, retailed at affordable prices, are the ultimate consumer replenishment products.
The potential here is huge.
And the time is now.
We have to change.
What we are flushing down our drains and spraying in our air is harmful to us, our loved ones, and to the planet.
This is going to be the next fight, the next frontier. So join us today. Invest in Tincture.